How to fix and solve unknown error occurred on Tonkeeper app. Hi everybody, I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you fix an unknown error occurred on Tonkeeper app. In order to fix it, so ensure that you have the latest version of your Tonkeeper app. So for that, you want to go ahead and make sure to check it on your Play Store. So on the search box, type in Tonkeeper and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. So after updating it, so you could try login and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Now if you're trying to make a transaction, ensure that you have sufficient fund in your Tonkeeper wallet as well. Sometimes insufficient fund can lead to this sort of issue, and at the same time, poor connectivity. Now internet connection plays an important role while transferring or while using the application. So you could go ahead and check whether you're connected to an internet service or not. Go to settings and check, then go to network and internet, see whether you're connected to internet or not. At the same time, what else you want to do is you could go ahead and try cleaning your cache as well as data. For that, long press the application, go to app info or the I button and make sure to click on storage and cache, and make sure to click on clear cache as well as click on clear storage. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if the issue persists on, then you could go ahead and wait for a couple of hours, or else you could directly contact the support team. For that, open up a browser and type in contact Tonkeeper. When you type in Tonkeeper, here you could find this privacy policy. Go to this link and here you could find the information on how can you contact the support team. So this is the way to fix and solve unknown error occurred on Tonkeeper app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.